Even feel happy to work, right? Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. You're talking to your girl V-La-Nessa. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm in a good mood because I'm going out. But yes, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Sunday. I went to church this morning. I cooked salmon and pumpkin rice, and now I'm going out on a ice cream date. Yeah, your girl going out on an ice cream date. But you know, so certain things you have to stay off of the internet, so we're not gonna show you all of that. But I just want to start off the vlog today. I wanted to start it off like earlier today because I wanted to tell you what I learned at church. Yeah, because I think I want to keep that mood from last week. But welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're a returnee, welcome back. You know, love you long time. Big up on yourself. Like all my supporters, like I see you. And I'm going to do another comments shout out because I enjoyed doing the last one, and I know you guys enjoy me responding. So I'm going to do that. But I just want to start off the vlog. Yeah, let's start off the vlog, right? Yes. So it's about 3:31, and I'm going to Maypen Devon House, because we just want to meet in the middle. Every time, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to Maypen Devon House, and yeah, just chill, have a good time, then come back. I have on this dress. I think I got it from Shein like a couple years ago. It's really nice and cute, and it goes well with my hair and the shoes and everything. But yeah, I'm going to have a little fun. Right, so let's go to Maypen, go get some ice cream. Yeah, I never meant to hurt her, but I gotta let her go. I tried, but the feelings is too strong. It make me wanna lose the one away. Start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Last night I saw you standing, and I dreamed of you ever since. And I built up my mind, know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? When I first saw you, I already knew something I thought that I would never find. Angel of mine, feeling like the truth, and to me, I can't really explain it. Sweet lady, would you be mine? I'll be there when you need me. Just call you be mine. Sweet lover, late a phone call on the telephone. On your fantasy, not a hero when you need me. Alright guys, so I'm a little bit early. So I'm just gonna do a comment shout out. So this section of the vlog is called Nessa shout outs. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the bottom because I released it yesterday and about 30 comments, over 30 comments is on here. We're not gonna go through everything, but we're gonna start from the bottom so that we get the people that will comment first. You understand? So the first comment is from Arlie, and she said, "Me not have nothing to say, so me just a comment for comment's sake." Pick up yourself, yeah, true supporter. One thing with Jody, if Jody not have nothing to say, she gonna leave a heart. So big up yourself, Jody. Kerry say hi. Crystal, saving is my biggest aim for this year. Yeah man, this year, blessing, money, testimony, gotta follow. Oh yeah, so this year we're saving towards our future. It's saving towards acquiring generational wealth, right? So when you save the money and you're gonna start a business, you save the money, you're gonna buy a car, you save the money, or you're going to buy a house. Listen, this year is called saving plus investment. She also said, I have sent out and got a response saying that they will keep my information on the database, but I've been sending nevertheless. And as I said before, you know, you're gonna send, and many companies not going to reach out to you because they still don't know where they stand. Yes, they fall in category A, yes, they fall in the category B. That then means them have to get the petition, because remember, they have to follow a certain process, and if they don't follow suit and then do everything, tick off everything on the checklist, they're not going to get the petition. So we still have to wait on them to complete their process, and then they can go out of country. So as I said before, remember, it starts with those in the country, because it doesn't make sense. Yeah, I give out work, I ain't give it out to your people them in the country. They're gonna send the job for those who are living in the state. You know, those who are US citizen and all those stuff, they're gonna send it out to them. If they don't want the job, then they're gonna send it out to in country. So all those H2B people that's in country, they're going to offer it to them. Now if the in country don't take it, that's when they go out and go for returnees and newbies and all those stuff. So it's a process, so we just have to wait on the process. As I said before, I would say look towards the ending of February to March to get response from these companies, but just keep sending. Hey, Crystal just had done out this thing, so she say thank you for encouraging me. Really appreciate it. You're welcome, Evangelist V. Speak it into existence. Yes, girl. Alright, so Mercy said me sick out, but me still present to watch your video. Girl, I pray that you get well soon. You've been sick from last week. What is going on? There's a flu going around. So I pray that, next time when you comment, you say, yes, Vanessa, I'm up and running. So healing in the name of Jesus. Alright? You call me girl. Yes, me call you Mercy because you're funny. Daniela is a YouTuber, guys. So if you want, I think she's living in Switzerland. So if you want Switzerland content, you can go over there and support her. She even shared recently about the ADHD. One time we used to do the ice bucket to raise awareness for the sickness. Yeah, her husband is going through that, and she shared her testimony. Honestly, I did the water bucket challenge, but we never really know it for, honestly. And because of her video, now I understand. So go and support her, girl. She say you get lashes, girl. Yes, her. As soon as I see the clip, the lashes there, we see. Don't it did long. Me cut them, guys. Now me cut them down. It did too long. Me cut them down. So Jade, billionaire from TikTok. So I know you're gonna get the barrel. Okay, guys. So I did get the barrel. I hope you see the daily video, but we don't post it yet. I don't edit it yet. Maybe we put it on this, but I think I'm gonna do a daily video for that. So I open a seat. Yes, we finally get the barrel. So yeah, we'll name the sun and go dark up down a half year. Me say, don't take long, man. 2 months, too long. The lashes look good. Don't cut them. Oh God, sorry, we already cut them. I already did. Thank you for the Blue Heart Thanksgiving Festival. Akela, it feels like I have been waiting on you to post forever. I know, because we never get a daily vlog. I've been so caught up, and it's been good, good reasons. I've been so caught up. The car, not because we buy the car, when you buy a second-hand vehicle, there's no say you have to service it to your liking. When them sell the vehicle, they're not going to say them are going to spend on it and fix it if you sell it. No. You have to ensure, say, you service everything. So if you know if you have to change brake pad, you have to do all those stuff, just focus on those stuff, change it. And we never expect to come and spend so much money on a car. But I love the car, and me not in a life. My first car, me love it. I love it. This is my baby here. I really do love it. So I don't really regret. But I had to be starting out the car, and then the barrel come. You have to start up the barrel. When you get the barrel, you have to unpack the barrel. And when you do unpack the barrel, the place messy. And then I think most you have to clean. It was so crazy busy. And then going out, yeah, it was so crazy busy. Miss Jones said, I love your video, and I'm from Clarendon, and I love the yard. Sorry about the service. Listen, as I said, it's probably just a 1 hour. It was probably just a bad night. Or maybe it's because there was a lot of kids at the table, so he was just giving us the bare minimum. I will go back probably for another experience. My cousin Italia said, what do you mean you don't have nobody to hang out with? Because she's been asking me for a long time to carry garbage. But so carry garbage, nobody. Nobody know. No one time. We still carry them to the beach, but we don't really get. Yeah, understand. We don't really too like the beach thing, but I'm gonna do that for them one day. The lashes are nice, hair and hair color nice, girl. Wow, look like your video title is wrong. What do you mean? Probably if we name it hair and lashes or something like that. Okay, Shade Williams. Thank you for the response. I appreciate that so much. Help doing the good job. I keep doing a good job. I think that's what she's saying. And then Achilles, she responded to a specific part of the video. She said, "Oh my God, just came back from practice and say I go finish watch the video. I didn't expect that so much. Thank you." Oh, okay, because I showed her out. Yes. Listen. Now, Robert said, "It's always good to meet new people. Great content. Keep up the good work." Thank you. And then Judy Kelly said, "A long time no see you know. What you good?" Judy Kelly said, "Car start out this week. Tell me when the car wash open." Oh, you don't see me wash the car. How this? How this? You know, me need to do me wash the car the other day and me do a very good detailing for the car. Right now the car clean. Car clean one. And underneath the wire, somebody that ring with me at top, but even the wire. And underneath the tire, and that's how we call it the fender. Yeah, me go under this time, scrub it out. Somebody that ring with me at top, but then you wash the car because the car too clean. He say yes, and then say okay, let me check, and then go to the door. When you go to the door and look underneath the wheel, you say okay, I are you, because I know yes, I don't wash. So, Mr. Sir, and then they wash and they wash good. Yes, I did that. So, when you look out for the car wash, it's coming. um. Media Girl Ash, YouTuber in Japan. If you know, watch her. What are you doing? Go and watch her. She release more video than me, right? And she working like she, yeah. Um, she's here and she said she loves Shade of Elegance. Yo, Shade of Elegance, yeah, big up them. She said also, so sad that we have to pay extra for convenience and good customer service in Jamaica. Tell me about it. Um, Jody, she changed her name. Jody, she said, lucky enough to have my, hey, you can imagine me know people name based on them picture. I wonder if I'm the right person. Lucky enough to have my first car in America. Big up yourself, girl. Couldn't even drive in JA. Program life hard, but you can see your accomplishment now. Miss Jamaica. No, she missed Jamaica. Because all of those who are saying art, the hair color looks good on you. Oh Jesus, I went through all of the comments. I went through all of the comments. Yeah. So thank you all for always commenting. I know me always I respond. And I just love my little community. Like it's always the same set of people commenting. And I love that. I mean, know me have silent watchers because I do that sometimes. Sometimes it's like I'm watching on my TV and I can't really go and take up the phone when we can. But me I don't know watch it on the TV, and then I go run go for the phone and then come in, go at the party and more like that's a lot of work. So I do understand that people do that. And yeah. And I just like this up too. The hair is nice, the dress is nice. She in, I don't know what she in. I don't know why, I just feel so happy. I feel so happy. I feel happy till I want to cry. I feel so happy. I would genuinely feel happy. You know, like, you know, I feel like one kind of show. You know, when you go through life and you just wait for that moment for you just like feel genuinely happy. Like, this is how I feel right now. Honestly, I feel so happy. And no, yes, I have a lot of decision to make based on whatever is going on. But I can honestly say that, yo, your girl, happy. And I don't want this feeling to leave. I wish this on everybody. Like, you know, soon get the full 100. And me don't tell you, so I'm going to tell you my story now. Me soon start my story. I tell you, so I'm going to tell my story. And this feels like the story, like the bad part of my life is coming to an end and to start another chapter. It does. Like, I'm so happy. And I pray that this feeling that I have never leaves, and I pray that it also finds you. And nobody take this lightly, receive it. You know, me I know pastor, me I know prophetess, me I know what, me I know this or whatever. But you see, if you believe it, you can receive it. God use anybody, even a madman out of the road, him can come to you and say, yo, listen, you can get a lot of money, you know, and find you believe that, you know, you're going to receive it. So, nobody take this lightly. Believe it and make happiness find you too. Yeah, that's every time the first part of the video always long. Like, why on a stay so? They can't tell me so top of days. Yes, top of days, man. You chat too much. You know? Yeah. So I'm gonna sign out and then make your whatever happen after. Alright guys, so happy Monday. I'm trying to be intentional today, but I feel so drained. It's like everything from last week just come down for me today. I feel so drained. I went to the gym today and I barely made it. I did legs days today and I came home and I was just there. Like every morning I clean, like I tidy up the place, wipe out the house because the place is so dusty. So every morning I do that. And when I came home, all I could do was just shower and lie down. It is not late, it's 10:31, but I got a message, an email from my shipping company that the packages are ready, so I'm going to pick that up. Plus I need to pick up some green groceries and fruits like banana because I need to make shakes, and I'm cooking like a big meal on Wednesday, so I need to get some little things because I plan to do like sweet and sour chicken with pineapple. I wanted to make a note of the things that I need to do because I know that I will forget. So I'm just gonna do that. But we're gonna go to Old Harbor today, and I need to drop off some stuff for a friend. So I need to go to the shipping company, drop off the stuff, and do some local groceries. And guys, can you believe Valentine's Friday? And nobody asked me to be there Valentine's as yet. That's safe. Anyway, if I don't have a Valentine, I will have a Galentine. Anyway, let's go to Old Harbor. My hungry bad. I'm probably just by a party. My hungry man. Alright guys, so I have some packages that I'm going to unbox before you. I don't even remember what I bought. Oh god, but only thing I remember, I know that I bought a spray gun because I'm gonna paint. Yeah. So let's see what's in there. Alright, let me tell you, see my shipping company? They're so fast. Because say for instance the thing delivered to the Florida address today, best believe that by Wednesday you get it. Very fast. So this is the spray gun. I got it so that I can start painting. So I'm gonna paint, I think within this week into next week, depending on how the vlog go, because this week I think I want to focus more on the vlogs. So I got a spray gun. Now I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna put all of these in my Amazon storefront. So if you want it, you can go get it. Okay, I got it. Try it. It's really 1 to 10. And I have this one here. It plays hot rain or fall. Rain or fall. And I also did a little shopping. Alright, just to stock up back for a little stuff. Nothing too serious. Yes. Alright. So this is a candle, and this is for a Valentine. Yeah, for someone. And this is a part of the gift. Alright, so you have this. Oh, I smell it. Yeah, understand? So let me smell it. So, you know, man, not supposed to. Something the right pattern, but I'm not going to show you. You know, a couple of them use this. Smells nice. It smells refreshing. If you want to know, you have to just open up Amazon store for it. I got this waist trainer for when I'm going to the gym. So tomorrow I'll be wearing this. Yeah, because you know we need to work on the belly. The girl now change her diet because the girl don't really want to lose weight. The girl just want to tone up and belly flat. And in order to get my belly to be flat, I have to stop eating, and that me can't do. So I got this. It feels really good. I don't know if this guy fit me in because my belly big. And it's like a two-part. So you have the zip, and then you have, ooh, look how inside look. And then it helps you to sweat. So hopefully it trim down my waist. And then inside you have the hook. So you have the first one. If your belly is a little bit big, then they go down by size. So yeah, I got this. And the material is really good. I love this material. This is like one of the best, because I always have like waist trainers, but this is like one of the best material. Oh, it's a duffel bag, so it's to carry my gym stuff in. Yeah, to carry my gym stuff in, like and I bought it in pink because my water bottle is already pink, so might as well I continue. And it's very small because I don't need nothing big, because remember the girl drive. And I think, ooh, the quality is really good. Really good. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Fitness and travel. It's really good. Like, so for instance, even if you have travel, and it have like a wet bag right here. It have the shoes bag where you can put your shoes in. It have the long strap. It have this. I love the material. It's really good. I like it. Not gonna lie, I love it already. Most of these are like gym stuff. Got a pair of gloves, and it's also pink because we're sticking to the color. Pink is not my favorite color, you know. Everybody know my favorite color, but because as I said, the water cup is already pink, so might as well just stick to the theme. And then this is how it looks. And I bought a gloves in the Chinese store, but never have the padding in here. So, and this fits so good. Watch this. This is so, look here. This is so nice. Look at this. Oh, so nice. Love that. Cute, right? Yeah, so this is gonna go into my bag. I picked small because I said I don't want nothing too big, but then again I was afraid that it was gonna be too small, but it's perfect. Love that. I got this now. This is additional to the Valentine's gift. So this is a car mount. The person started my car and was like, oh, I like it, I would like this. So I got them one of that. So you see, Valentine's gift pack. And then no, this is for my chandelier in the living room. I got 10 bulbs of these. I hope it can fit. And I want it to be white, like daylight. Yeah, so I bought them and they're looking like this. So hopefully they work. There's 10 of them and the chandelier holds a lot. And I also have a slimming cream. So this is also going to go into my bag. I used to use this before and it make you sweat. Like it actually work. I need to set up my storefront. So I'm going to put this all in my storefront. So if you're going to the gym and you need to buy, it's called Slim Extreme 4D. I used to use this and it works. When I used to do gym at home for myself, yeah, it works. And then I bought a gym shoes. I didn't go pink this time. I was like, I'm not going to always wear pink. So might as well I get something that I can wear with everything. So I got these sneakers. These are really light sneakers because the white sneakers that I have is not that comfortable. And then the red one that I had dry rotten because it's been here all long. And then I got one because sometimes I can't be bothered with the lace. You understand? And it have memory foam and everything. This is it. And I'll be wearing it tomorrow, hopefully. It looks small though, but my foot's small still. But here it is. So this is for gym. So that's all. So you see, that's my little thing. And I'm just gonna tidy up and then put this in the chandelier. Guys, we just put in one and if you see the difference, like what? The difference of one, just one, just one. So much. Okay, imagine I'm putting one of them. No, I'm gonna take out it and show you the difference. Alright, look. Let's see. You see the difference? You see the difference? Let me put it in, screw it in back. What? And that's just one. That's just one. What? 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 Good morning, guys. So today is what today? Today's Thursday, and I just got from the gym. I just passed me yard. But so you know, I'm gonna go straight to Olaba, Spanish Town because I need to do some stuff. Like Olaba is a good town, but it not have everything. And then I also need to drop off like some stuff for some person that I, you know, give out at the barrel. So I want to drop off that. But as I said, I want to go to tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I was asked to be someone Valentine. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get a gift for that person, and we basically got something already. We get a car mount. I think we did show it at the previous clip. So, but me feel like on a regular, would I get that if you understand, and we need to get something else because I got it for myself and the person saying like it, so I said, oh, I will get you one. It wasn't supposed to be a surprise. It wasn't even supposed to be like a Valentine's gift, but Valentine come just in time, and I just feel like said that alone can't really do. I think more have to present it properly. If I even want in a one bag or something, yeah. Like we just give it in the without no package or anything, in a thing that is nice. So I just want to like probably do a little basket or a little bag or something. So that's why I'm going to Spanish Town. And I also want to wax my brows, which we could have do that at Old Harbor, but let's go Spanish Town. I don't know, maybe me do it at Spanish Town and maybe do it myself. I am wearing my gym clothes. Like, me know say if me go home, it's gonna take me too long to come back. I mean, we just want to hurry up and go and come back because I have a daily vlog that I need to finish, edit, and upload it today, latest tomorrow. And then I have to start editing this weekly vlog, which I'm not start yet. And yeah, so that's the plan for today. Oh yeah, and I'm going to beach on Saturday. I'm going to Puerto Rico, I think, with the girls on Saturday. So I just want to get everything done, like as it relates to the editing, the thumbnails. I want to get everything done by tomorrow evening so that I can plan for Saturday. I need to shave, wax, whatever I need to do. Oh, I have nair. I can just use nair. I need to do all that. That's why I want to do my brows. So yeah. Today was rough. It's getting easier and easier because my muscle is getting used to it, but it might push me. Hey, if you don't see me on the road, I'm looking like this, just don't say, yo, yeah, I have a whole day. Just don't say, yo, I'm busy. I'm just have to just get things done. So if you see me on the road, just close in the air. You cannot come to Spanish Town and don't get a taste of patty. Like, taste the patty? Have my heart. Like, which party is your favorite? Mine, apart from Devanos, we not count Devanos because Devanos in a category to itself. The fact that it's even square, we not count that. But out of Tasties, Juicy Beef, and Mothers, which one you think is the best? Which one is your favorite? Mine, Tasties definitely. Especially the one at Spanish Town, it ever hot. They come like they just take it out of the oven and say, hot. You feel when they eat it. I love a tasty spotty. So I did my Valentine's shopping. Tomorrow is Valentine, and I'll talk to you more about that when I reach home, and I'll pack it with you. Yeah, pack it with you. So I'm going to drop off the food, but I'm gonna sit down and eat this first. And listen, so when you look like Cruff, when you decide to now put yourself together, because remember I know I could go home, go shower, you know. I'm gonna say no. I left from gym, I'm gonna go straight to Spanish Town. Me expecting that nobody now go see me, now notice me. Somebody see me, I know you. I'm like, what? Me look, me turn on because they say, I know me, shut up. She said, no, are you, me attack? I said, Lord Jesus, where you know me from? from your vlogs. Girl, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Even though I kind of look crusty still. But yeah, it kind of feel nice. Like then look at something they kind of push me if we continue. Because it kind of feel nice when people just say, hi, hi. Yeah, love that. Big up yourself. This is a show in my Telegram group, so you know what? We need to start back, We need to start back. But it's just that it's just been crazy busy. I feel like the last month I'm gonna have so much more time. Because it's like a little bit over a month and I still have a lot of things doing. And just planning out my life and all those stuff, it's just heavy on my brain, and to just do content is kinda heavy. But I'm gonna do my best soon. We need to do better. We need to do better, but I am pushing. If I even the Saturday vlog, that is just really just for me. You understand? But yeah, anyway, let's eat. Baby, you got me like just for me. All you need to do is let Katrina wants to me. So I finished with Spanish Town, and then I went and dropped off the stuff that I had for my cousins. So it's basically like a care package. Not really care package because that's so away. It basically just carry them few stuff out of the bar. So I'm done, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm kind of excited to wrap the gift because we just put a lot of thought in it. Because based on the conversation me and the person been having, I bought stuff based on that. Now there's one thing in there is for both of us, which is the wine, but we're gonna put it in there nevertheless. I wanted to put like chocolate and so forth in there, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, and then I have a picture frame. Like, listen, I am excited. It's the first time I celebrate like Valentine's like this. Yeah. As I said, the person just asked me to be in Valentine, even though I tell him no still, because he said that he wanted to do it properly, and then the way he do it, he never do it proper. But him don't know say yeah. The answer was yes, even though I said no. And this is why it's good to know to have people like-minded. So even when they say no, them no say yes, and when they say yes, them no say no. It's not like mind game, but it's just like understanding and knowing the person. Yeah. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna tidy up the place first, then shower, and then get straight to editing because I need to edit that bar video, and then I need to edit this because tomorrow is Friday. And my thing is, I cannot edit straight like how some people edit straight now. I have to edit like in parts. Like the first part, I put the clip them together. The second part, I cut them up, take out whatever I need to take out, and then the next part now I like put in the audio and the words and so forth. And that's why you see when you get a vlog when no really up there. Yeah, because no really have time. Yeah. So yeah, let's go home. I just got back in, and now I'm going to wrap the gift. I feel so excited. Like, if you don't know, my love language to give is to give gifts. So I enjoy giving gifts. I don't really care for getting gifts, but I do like getting gifts. So I'm going to show you what I got, and let me tell you, no matter with the whole excitement, we're just exchanging gifts, okay? Alright, so first and foremost, I got this heart wrapping paper, clear paper. I just want it to be different because everybody is doing red, and basically things inside is going to be red, but the paper itself is blue, and if you look, it has heart on it. So, we are celebrating the season the same way. Yeah. A basket to put the stuff in, and then all of these stuff is things that I saw that maybe the person wants and so forth. It's not like, oh, it's Valentine's Day or whatever, blah blah blah. Yeah. So I got this cup, is a teacup, and it's basically red. I saw it, I like it, and I bought it. So let's rate it 1 to 10. Yeah, I bought it and I like it because it has love, XOXO, hugs and kisses, and because it's red and it's gonna look good in the thing. Yeah. And then when I was buying a picture frame, I saw this and I buy it. Yeah. And then I got this. This is basically for both of us. It's not for him only. I buy it for myself, but we're gonna put it in there so that we both can have it. So this is just don't say after me and you. Alright. And then I bought this picture frame and I printed a picture. Now I'm gonna show you the picture because I'm not too damn fast. But I got this picture frame, and as I said, everything. There's some other sense though. I wrong one too, I wrong one. But you know what? You might get the same way. You might get the same way. Why would I buy pink? I the wrong one. It's supposed to have a more writing on it, but nevertheless, it said, "With all my love, as you are so special to me, I am sending you my love straight from my heart." Yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna put the picture in here, and then we're gonna put it in the basket, and then I also got a bow, a red bow to tie everything in. And then I got two of these things so that it can look festive inside, little paper to make it look festive inside. And then these two is what I got on Amazon. And this is what I was talking about earlier. I bought one for myself. He saw it, he liked it, so I got it for him. And because we sometimes talk on the phone and so forth, and we're always driving, so it is safer to have like a car mount, and him have iPhone, so it's perfect. It's just magnetic. No, yeah. And I'm gonna just put it in there. And then I also got this candle, and you can read it upon it. Can't get rid upon it. Yeah, but it's just like a little candle with a note on here, and yeah. So yeah, it's kind of meaningful and it smells really good. And if you know, I'm a candle girl. See, I have a candle right here burning, and then I have my candles that I'm waiting to burn. Like, yeah, I have my candles. See, I have my candles. I have them. Okay, so I bought someone a candle to burn and to think of me, yeah, it smells really good. I like it. So I'm just gonna pack it, and let's go. We're gonna pack this thing together. I'm just gonna take this out of the box, but I'm gonna leave this in the box, and then whatever has price on it, I'm gonna take it off. All my life I was looking for a sign. No man, this looks so nice. That looks really good. Sorry, I can't see it because it might be a potential, and I don't want to get that out there. Well, for you, I'll be putting it all aside. Alright, so I'm also gonna put like some candy in the cup because it just looks so. Like, I feel like there should be more, but it's kind of costly. It's not like cheap stuff. The wine alone are almost $2,000. So I hope the person appreciate it because I actually put thought into it. But they look up it, and I guess it's because I always like to give a lot. But yeah, this is it. Alright, so this now, the man in Woolworth said I should open it up and then pull these two strings. Nice. My first ever giving Valentine's gift, I think. I think I've done it before, but yeah, I like it. Like, look at this. Like, ooh. No, don't go. Because you see me I tie this thing. And the sister me never put in the next one of this. I can come, sir. I know me have to go. Hopefully me never tie the bow tight. I have to go pull it now and put it in. I mean, I know there's something missing, you know. I know there's something missing. And you could never tell me, Vanessa, remember said the other thing for going there. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna stay so. Oh man, thank God I never tight. Now I have to go pull it. But I think the paper is a bit too long, so I'm gonna cut it too. Alright, me done now. Me finish. Me done. So I'm going to go and edit now. So I'm signing off for the rest of the day because I need to edit. And if I don't edit it, I'll get the video Saturday. And I need to still release the daily vlog. So I might just release it tonight. So yeah. So you have come to the end of another video. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day, February 14. I went on the road. The festivities was there, basket, kids in red and white, people in red and white. I wasn't in red and white because we really play them game there. Me always think that I always want to look kind of unique and not be a part of the crowd. Yeah, I want to be different from the crowd. Gave the gift and I think the person appreciated. We exchanged gift rather, and yeah, it was a quite like chill afternoon. It was really relaxing. Talked and like deep conversations and so forth, and I really appreciate like the time spent. So I just want to wish all you lovers out there happy Valentine's. And I know that the father don't believe in that because of the whole thing. Listen to me. I just say yo, it's Lovers Day. We celebrate love all day, but you know, for those who don't really show it, you have that one day we appreciate your significant other. And that is what we're celebrating. We're not celebrating Mr. Valentine or whatever that man name. Yeah, we're not doing that. So thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribe. If you have not yet like because it helps out with the algorithm. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. And stay tuned for next week. Tomorrow I'm going to Ochi and that's going to be in another vlog, so stay tuned for that. Okay, catch you next week.